guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review another product from Sivana, and this one is called the Pastel Eyeshadow Palette. But before we move into the review, there is an announcement that I wanted to make. I want to thank all of you all guys for supporting me and for encouraging me and for putting up all the positive comments on my videos. Thank you so much, you guys. Every comment out there motivates me to make more videos, and there are certain subscribers who have been there with me since the day one, even when I did not post this regularly. Not that I'm very regular now, but still they were there, and they've always been very encouraging. They always leave very positive comments, and they're just there, they're always there with me. They're like friends, and I absolutely love them. And in return, I want to thank them. I will be giving away one of the Sivana color palettes to one of those subscribers. So today I will be giving away this palette to Poonji, to you. I don't know, I think I call her name is Poonam Chaudhary. Yeah, her name is Poonam Chaudhary, but I just call her Poonji just because she has Poonji as her Instagram name. So I absolutely love her. Thank you Poonam for being there, for being so supportive, for being so kind, so loving. So yeah, thank you for being there, and congratulations on winning this. Please email me your address and other details on beautifulandblessed@gmail.com, or you can just direct message me on Instagram. It retails for around 1000 bahts, but most of the times it is on sale on Flipkart, and Flipkart is where you get the best deals from Sivana. So I think this is available right now at a price of 700 something. I absolutely love, love is just an understatement. I love how this palette performs. Firstly, the packaging is nice, practical, and it comes in a cardboard box like this, and you can see the palette from here. When you open it up, this is the plastic casing that it comes in. It's very lightweight. Has a good quality plastic, and again, since the front is transparent, you can see the colors, the palette. So if in case you have multiple palettes, you can easily see which one is the one you want. And then the number of the palette is written at the back. When you open it up, these are the shades that the palette contains, and here there is a sponge tip applicator which I've kept somewhere. I can't find it. So anyways, it does not come with a mirror, so that's one thing, but I think that would have made it bulky. Talking about the palette itself, the palette comes in various colors. There is 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, and so on and so forth. But basically the palettes revolve around a color theme, and the color theme is basically pinks, blacks, browns, and darker shades, and they have thrown in a little bit of probably one or two lighter shades in the palettes. So that is the color theme of every palette. The formula of the eyeshadows is amazing. I love how pigmented these are. These are amazingly pigmented, and unlike the classic Earth Story palette that I've reviewed earlier on my channel, this one does not have any sort of fallout. Although these are nicely pigmented, these are very smooth, they blend like a dream, but they do not have any fallout. And as you can see, I've done the eye makeup. The makeup that I have on today is done using this palette from Sivana. I did everything after putting on my base, so I don't think there is anything on my face, any sort of fallout or anything, which is an absolute delight. Another thing which I love about the palette is that it has a great staying power. I had worn this for around 8 hours, and the colors were still there. After that, I just washed it out. Yes, after 8 hours, I would say the intensity did go down a little bit, but that's just obvious. That would happen with any eyeshadow palette, how expensive it might be. But it stayed on all day, and this is, I am saying, when I use the eyeshadows without any base. One of the best parts, another best part about this eyeshadow palette is that you do not need a base underneath these for the colors to show up, and that is amazing for me, especially when you have brown shades going on, different shades of brown you're putting up on your eyelids. Those don't really show up really easily. At least that happens with me most of the times. But these colors, all of these, apart from probably one lighter shade, every color shows up beautifully even without a base. and they stay on your lids throughout the day until you remove them. They do not crease, these do not have any sort of fallout, and these are amazingly pigmented. They blend like a dream. I mean, this is an absolute must-have palette. I highly recommend you guys to try this palette out and buy it. I cannot stress enough how amazing this palette is. Not only the quality of the eyeshadows is great, but the color selection is amazing. I mean, there are various palettes available in this, but my favorite has to be 03. If you have to go and buy one palette out of all the pastel eyeshadow palettes that are available, go for 03. 03 is this palette, and that is the palette that I have used to create this eyeshadow look, this eye look basically. So this is a great palette. It's very handy. You can easily travel with these. Yes, it doesn't have a mirror, but that's completely okay because the quality of the eyeshadows is beyond amazing, I would say. So this palette gets a big thumbs up from me. Okay, let's just watch these eyeshadows for you. The first shade is actually a white shimmery shade. This is my least favorite of all. I don't really go out for this shade, and it's a little bit chalky, doesn't really show up that well. So this is the shade, and there you go. I think you can hardly see it, so not the best one. Then you have another shimmery, not really shimmery, then they have a pearly light pink shade. Then we have a shimmery pink shade which has rose gold undertones, and somehow it reminds me of NARS Orgasm blush. I don't know why. So there you go. Now this is the third shade. Next we have a silver brownish, again a shimmery shade. Let me swatch it. There you go. Then we have an olive green shimmery shade, which is the one I am wearing on my lids right now. Then we have another, this one is more pearly, and this is gunmetallic brown with silver undertones. Okay, then we have two matte eyeshadows, and these are two matte brown eyeshadows. One is a dark brown with a lot of grey undertones, and the other one is a lighter brown with more yellow undertones to it, which is amazing. Having two brown eyeshadows, a dark brown and a medium brown, is godsend in any palette. I mean, these two are matte, these are really nicely pigmented, and they make for great crease color. They make for great transition colors. The lighter brown is what I use when I'm using more lighter shades, or probably I just use it in any sort of eye look that I'm doing. And then the darker brown is when I want more intense color in my crease, or even right now when I've put it in the outer corner of my eyes and even on the crease. So these are amazingly pigmented. They are not at all chalky, and wow, I love these two browns. So this is the matte brown, darker brown, and then this is the lighter brown. Then we have a black and a brown shade. Then we have a black and a dark blue. Black one is not shimmery, but it's not very matte either. It has somewhat pearly sheen to it, and the blue one also has a similar formula. The blue one again is not very pigmented. It's not my favorite in the palette, but the black one is amazing. I'll swatch these two for you guys. Okay, so there is the black color, and where do I swatch this? Here you have the blue. So that's about it, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. I will meet you guys soon. Until then, you guys take care. Bye.